dear students, welcome to RDN Education Hub YouTube channel. I am Mrs. Puspita Patel from Town Nodal High School, Bajanagar. Dear students, as you know, there are so many problems around us which affects our day-to-day life. I have listed few of them. They are as follows. First one is population growth, जनसंख्या वृद्धि. Second one is air pollution, वायु प्रदूषण. Third one is water pollution, जल प्रदूषण. Fourth one is soil pollution, मृत्तिका प्रदूषण. Fifth one is sound pollution, शब्द प्रदूषण बा noise pollution. The root cause of all the problems is population growth. Because due to human activities, air pollution occurs, water pollution occurs, soil pollution occurs, sound pollution occurs, and all the problems occurs. So all the pollution occurs directly or indirectly due to population growth. Students, you know, for a living being or living creatures, air, water, food is very essential because these are our basic need. Like that, for healthy life, we require pure air, water and fresh food. So students, I have chosen a topic for you that is very important chapter of your class 10th English book. That is air pollution, a hidden menace. Air pollution, वायु प्रदूषण. ए गोटे आर्टिकल टे. हिडन लुकायित बा अदृश्य. मेनेस विपद बा भय. एटा आर्टिकल भाव व्यवहार होती. एटा हूँ तुमर गोटे आर्टिकल. हिडन एटा हूँ गोटे एडजेक्टिव और मेनेसटा हूँ गोटे नाउन. बिफोर गोइंग टू स्टडी लेट मी शो यू सम पिक्चर्स. This is a picture of a factory. Like this, there are many types of chemical factories which release different types of harmful gases, smoke or ash which may cause of air pollution. देख पिले एक कारखाना तुम देखुव यहाँ विभिन्न प्रकार धुआं गुड़िक बाहर. यही भाव में पाउंश गुड़िक निर्गत होता है जहाद्वारा कि एयर पोल्यूशन होता है. दिस इज ए पिक्चर ऑफ ए व्हीकल. एटा गोटे कौन? एटा गोटे हूँ कार चित्रटे. द कार इज रनिंग बाय योर पेट्रोल और डीजेल. जिते बड़े कारटी यातायात करुच्ची सेतेबेले विभिन्न प्रकार दूषित बाष्प बाहर जहाँकि आमर एयर को पोल्यूशन करुच्ची. देख पिले व्हाट इज द मेन डूइंग? द मेन इज स्मोकिंग सिगारेट. लोकटी सिगारेट टाणुची जहाँफल धुआं सृष्टि हो वायु प्रदूषित होउछि. व्हाट इज द गर्ल डूइंग? सी इज स्नीजिंग. स्नीजिंग कहले कौन? स्नीजिंग कहले छिंकिबा. सी इज स्नीजिंग. व्हाइल स्नीजिंग there are some small particles in the form of spit or watery products come out from her nose and mouth which may pollute the air. If the girl is infected by different types of diseases like your corona, then the air may be polluted. छिंकिला बेले ता नाक पाटी छोट छोट बिंदु आकार पानी बा सिंगाणी बाहरी थाए. जदि झीटी संक्रामक रोग जेपरिक कोरोना द्वारा आक्रांत होता है ताहेले ता द्वारा वायु प्रदूषित होता है एवं अनेक लोकों को कोरोना द्वारा पीड़ित करता है। आउ अनेक प्रकार रोग मध्य छिंकिवा द्वारा वायु प्रदूषित होता है। दिस इज ए पिक्चर ऑफ गार्बेज डंपिंग। यह हूँ गोटे अलिया गदा। यह द्वारा कौन होची विभिन्न प्रकार बाष्प निर्गत होची जहा द्वारा वायु प्रदूषण होची। देख पिले एटा गोटे कौन एटा होची गोटे ट्रेन रो चित्र। ट्रेन रे कौन देखुछ तमे लोक माने ट्रेन रो ऊपर मध्य बसछंती एवं तार बाहर मध्य सेही डोर पाखरे मध्य से माने छिड़ा होइछंती। एटा काहे कि होइछ एटा हमर ड्यू टू ओवर पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ। So many pictures to you that is related to air pollution. As our topic is related to air pollution, let us see few examples of man-made catastrophe. Catastrophe माने disaster, विपत्ति। The first one is Bhopal gas tragedy, which occurred in 3rd December 1984 at Union Carbide India Limited, or in short we can say UCIL. You can see a motion picture based on this. Its name is Bhopal, A Prayer for Rain, which was released in 2014. After 2 years, a similar incident occurred at Chernobyl. It was a nuclear power plant disaster. A TV miniseries is based on this disaster named Chernobyl, and it was released in 2019. Pollution is dangerous to all. First of all, air is one of the basic needs of our life. We need fresh and pure air. When the various levels of gases become imbalanced in atmosphere, then air pollution occurs. Air pollution is harmful to us. Of course, we will deal it later on, and at present let us go through the lead-in. Lead-in means the introduction or background. हाँ पिला माने वर्तमान तुम इंग्राजी बही खोल एवं एयर पोल्यूशन ए हिडन मीनिंग्स चैप्टर को बाहर करो। चलो एबे मु ए लीड रे कोन देछि पढिबे त माने मन देखि सुनो। Has it ever happened to you that when you come back home from outside you have a running nose or you keep on coughing? Have raindrops ever tasted sour? When you are on public roads, you inhale a lot of polluted air and you feel uneasy. Many factors contribute to this air getting polluted. Air pollution is a hidden menace and possesses the greatest threat to mankind in the future. Let us read the following piece and think of ways in which we can ensure that we breathe clean and pure air. लीड इनको एक्सपेंशन करिवा। Has it ever happened to you that when you come back home from outside you have a running nose or you keep on coughing? Happened कहले occurred, घटिवा, रनिंग नोज कहले पानी बाहरिबा बा सिंघाणी बाहरिबा। कफिंग काशिबा। Has it ever happened to you? तम सहित एपरी घटिछि कि that when you come back home from outside you have a running nose or you keep on coughing? तम सहित एपरी हेछि कि तमे जेतेबेले बाहर रु घर को आसीछ Every day you go hither and thither like school, college, market, and when you come back home from outside, have you ever felt running nose or you keep on coughing? ତୁମେ ମାନେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଏପଟ ସେପଟ ଯେମିତିକି ସ୍କୁଲ କଲେଜ ବଜାର ଆଦି ଜାଗାକୁ ଯାଇଥାଉ ଏବଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଘରକୁ ଫେର ସେତେବେଳେ ନାକରୁ ସିଙ୍ଘାଣି ବାହାରିବା ବା କାଶ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେବାର ଅନୁଭବ କରିଛ କି? Have raindrops ever tasted sour? ବର୍ଷା ଜଳର ସ୍ୱାଦ ଖଟାଳିଆ ଲାଗିବା କେବେ ଅନୁଭବ କରିଛ କି? sour sour କହିଲେ ଖଟାଳିଆ. When you are on public roads, you inhale a lot of polluted air and you feel uneasy. Inhale. Inhale କହିଲେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ୱାସ ନେବା. uneasy. uneasy କହିଲେ uncomfortable. ଅସୁସ୍ଥ. ପବ୍ଲିକ୍ ରୋଡ଼. ପବ୍ଲିକ୍ ରୋଡ଼ କହିଲେ ସର୍ବସାଧାରଣ ଚଲାପଥ ଯେଉଁଥିରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଯାତାୟାତ କରିଥାନ୍ତି. When you are on public road, ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ସର୍ବସାଧାରଣ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଯାଇଥାଅ, you inhale a lot of polluted air, ତୁମେ ମାନେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ୱାସରେ a lot of କହିଲେ କ'ଣ? a lot of ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟିଏ ଫ୍ରେଜ୍. a lot of କହିଲେ ପ୍ରଚୁର ପରିମାଣ. when you are on public roads, ତୁମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସର୍ବସାଧାରଣ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଯାଇଥାଅ, you inhale a lot of polluted air, ତୁମେ ମାନେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ୱାସରେ ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ polluted air କୁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ୱାସରେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥାଅ. and you feel uneasy, ଏବଂ ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଅନୁଭବ କର? ତୁମେ uneasy ବା uncomfortable ବା ଅସୁସ୍ଥ ଅନୁଭବ କରିଥାଅ. many factors contribute to this air getting polluted. many factors, so many cause or so many reasons which contribute to this air getting polluted. ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ କାରଣ ଅଛି ଯେଉଁଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଯୋଗୁଁ ଏୟାର ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ହେଇଥାଏ. ଏୟାର ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ hidden menace and possesses the greatest threat to mankind in the future. air pollution is a hidden menace. hidden କହିଲେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛୁ ଆଗରୁ ଲୁକାୟିତ, menace କହିଲେ ବିପଦ. air pollution is a hidden menace. air pollution ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟାଏ ଲୁକାୟିତ ବା ଗୋଟିଏ ଅଦୃଶ୍ୟ ବିପଦ. where it is hidden, have you ever seen air? no, but we feel it by our skin, and we also feel the presence of air by shaking of leaves. ଏହାକୁ ଦେଖି ହୁଏ ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଅନୁଭବ କରି ହୁଏ. ଆମେ ଆମ ଚର୍ମ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଏହାକୁ ଅନୁଭବ କରିଥାଉ କିମ୍ବା ଗଛର ପତ୍ର ହଲିବା ଦ୍ୱାରା ବାୟୁର ଉପସ୍ଥିତିକୁ ଜାଣିପାରିଥାଉ. ରିଏଲି ଏୟାର ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ହିଡେନ୍ ମେନେସ୍. ତେଣୁ ବାସ୍ତବରେ ବାୟୁ ପ୍ରଦୂଷଣ ଏକ ଅଦୃଶ୍ୟ ବିପଦ ଅଟେ. and possesses the greatest threat to mankind in the future. ଏବଂ ଏହା ମାନବ ସମାଜକୁ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ ପାଇଁ ଚେତାବନୀ ବା ବିପଦ ସୂଚକ ଅଟେ. threat କହିଲେ ଚେତାବନୀ. let us read the following piece and think of ways in which we can ensure that we breathe clean and pure air. let us read the following piece. following କହିଲେ କ'ଣ? following କହିଲେ ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ. piece କହିଲେ ଖଣ୍ଡ. अंश भाग। लेट अस रीड द फॉलोइंग पीस। चलो आमे ए प्रबंधर खंडटी को पढ़िबा। एंड थिंक ऑफ वेज in which we can ensure that we breathe clean and pure air. Breathe श्वासक्रिया बा निश्वास प्रश्वास नवा। लेट अस रीड द फॉलोइंग पीस। वर्तमान आमे एई माने प्रबंध खंडटी को पढ़िबा। एंड एवं थिंक ऑफ वेज इन व्हिच वी कैन एंश्योर दैट वी ब्रेथ क्लीन एंड प्योर एयर। एवं आमे केउ उपाय रे माने विशुद्ध एवं परिष्कार वायु ग्रहण करि परिबा ताकू एंश्योर बा सुनिश्चित करिबा। एंश्योर कहिले सुनिश्चित।